Okay, so one of the things I realized I needed after my last video was a tripod. So this is one I got from Amazon. So LETSCOM multifunction tripod. So this video will not be that great because I don't have a tripod yet. But I'm going to show you this one I got, and hopefully use this going forward and see where we are. So one moment, I'll open it up. Okay, here it is out of the pack. It's a LETSCOM tripod. So I'm gonna unwrap it here and then be right back with you. All right, so here it is unwrapped. Comes with a couple of things. It's got a little remote control for Bluetooth to start and stop video with, which is going to be handy. Just a little warranty and a little card to explain how to use it. It comes with a phone holder, which I hope this holds my iPhone. And then it extends really tall, which is kind of cool. So this just screws into the built-in screw to hold your phone. It's going to be kind of cool. And then tripod up. So there's the tripod out. I'm going to extend it on out. So I'll hold for a second. It has a nut here to loosen it up. And then there it is, extended out. And then you just tighten the nut up. I'll do this with two hands next time when I tighten it up. So there's that. And then this has three releases here that you can release to extend it up, and it goes all the way up to 12 feet. So, or not 12 feet, but I think it's 6 feet. So what does it say here? It universal phone mount, which I like. 360-degree 180 tilt, remote control, which it comes with. The foldable and portable. It's got a little carrying case, which is nice. It's adjustable height, and it's compact and lightweight. It is very lightweight. So you can use it with a lot of stuff. This is a ZJ01, and I don't know what the height is on this, but I think it was like up to 6 feet, if I remember correctly. This would be nice. So anyway, that's it. The link to this will be below. Looking forward to programming this and getting this working with the phone so I can start recording some good reviews and other stuff that I do.